Now, as I have told you that you have to prepare the question words. Now, let's learn that how you will use these question words in any of the speeches. Okay. For suppose, just try to make a like orient a speech which is actually being very light and being very soft spoken of. Okay, so that you will be able to easily communicate with the people. ओके आपको ये देखना है कि जैसे मैं अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बात करता हूँ तो सेम यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट स्पीच इन इंग्लिश सी इफ यू हैवंट गॉन थ्रू विद दिस लाइक इंग्लिश अगर आपको इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स प्रॉपर नहीं आते फिर डोंट नो द वोकैबुलरी फिर डोंट नो द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस एंड द सिंटैक्सेस गूगल इज देयर take the help of chat gpt. Okay, just try to put some of this more of the AI tools which will really going to help you in English. Okay, put the Hindi lines over there and ask them to convert in English. It will make you to convert it very possible way. Okay, and try to go on with this speech as if वही चीज हमें लिखनी है जो हम अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज में दूसरों के साथ कम्युनिकेशन में बात करते टाइम बोलते हैं. द सेम यू हैव टू पुट इन इंग्लिश. Okay, so this will really going to help you when you actually trying to encounter any first friend. How you will initiate the conversation, what is the topic of the conversation, how you will create the curiosity in the speakers, in the listeners. So that is all the that you can say that puts the additional depth into your speeches. Okay, and this in this way you will be able to learn that how you can frame the speech for any public place. Okay, so in this way it will really going to help you in vocabulary, construction of sentences, syntaxes, and so on. Okay, I hope this technique will really going to improve you in English because it's really relatable to your native language. Okay, and you will find it very interesting as well. I'll be sharing some more tips. If you want to learn more, just follow this channel and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.